Hello, my name is Jordan Higgs, and today I will be showing you how to make your beard into the Van Dyke. It's best to use a comb to really get that point out of the beard. Make sure you got everything combed down just to try to style as you go along. So we're going to get our Wahl stainless steel trimmer all prepped, and I will show you how to do that next. With the Van Dyke, there are a lot of different ways to style it. I'm going to show you a couple of the lengths as we go through this process, going from longest all the way down to the shortest. I'm feeling dangerous. We're going with the 1.5 next. Alright, we're definitely getting there, but one of the key characteristics of the Van Dyke is the separation of the goatee, so the mustache from the actual chin area. I really want the Van Dyke to pop, so what I'm going to do is clean up all this stubble. I'm going no guard on this, and then we can start to thin it out. To thin down that mustache a little bit, we're going to put a 2 guard on, and just to trim it down, thin it out a little bit. It's a little bit too bushy for my liking, so we'll start that now. One of the things you can also do is actually put a guard on and just kind of make a triangle in with your beard. Don't cut off too much. Some people like to use a larger guard maybe, but really get that V shape in there. And if you really want to, you can shave and clean up all that stubble. I kind of like it. I like the little rugged look, but overall, I'm kind of a fan of the Van Dyke today. And that's the Van Dyke. I think it turned out pretty well. It's a new look for me. I think I might rock it here for a little bit.